Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Camelia. Today in this video, I am going to clean up my sister's wardrobe here. I'm going to change it from this to this. Basically, it's just a video of me putting my sister's clothes one by one in a clothes cover. The clothes cover that I'm talking about is this clothes cover over here that we purchased from Shopee. I'm going to share more details on this clothes cover later on. So before we get started, I'm just going to quickly explain why we are doing this. The first reason is we want to make sure all the clothes here stays clean. These are my sister's events clothes, so it's not something that she usually wears. It's not her daily wardrobe clothes, you know. So we want to cover it up to make sure that it stays clean and don't get dust all over it. The second reason why we are doing this is because I'm trying to experiment and see whether by putting every single clothes here inside the same size clothes cover are going to make it look neat and tidy. So let's get started now. But the first video that you guys are going to see is me unwrapping or unpack the parcel of this clothes cover that we got. From there, you guys can see the clothes cover quality up close and also the quantity that we purchased. We actually counted how many clothes we have here and then only we placed the order. So yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning now and you guys are going to watch that video. So this is the clothes cover that we got. This is actually the shorter version, and then the longer version is the one that I showed you guys initially. The zip doesn't feel flimsy, it's quite sturdy. The quality of the transparent cover is also satisfying, and the seam at the corner semua ni also is quite neat and nice. I like it. This is where I show you guys how I tried to get rid of the folding lines by ironing it. It needs to be layered with the kain batik like that, and it actually works. See, the left side is the one haven't ironed and the one on the right is the one that I already ironed. So it gets rid of the folding line and I'm actually quite satisfied with it, and I want to continue and do for all until when I do the second one I accidentally burn it. Yep. So I stopped doing it at the second piece. So these are her clothes right on the floor, and that's the clothes cover that I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to separate all the plastic one. We are no longer using the plastics one. I have more clothes cover inside there. The first one, I'm going to unzip it. See how it looks. Ito masuk Macam mana? Habis. Don't tell me that masuk. Okay, masuk. Get inside, get inside. Ta-da! The clothes is still visible. Let's put it this way. The hanger is going to be like this and the zip is going to be that way. Okay? Like it. Okay, next up. It's a baju kurung. Masukkan je. Easy deh. If the kain were to fall off, it will fall inside and not on the wardrobe's floor. Oh my goodness, is that humble? Third one done. Okay, I'm done with all the big ones. I'm going to clean up a little bit and start off with the shorter version. It's for all the tops and all my sister's uniform. everything is put together, we actually have more space. Just now we didn't have any extra space. Just now we didn't have any extra space. Now we had to. Oh, I'm sweating. That's nice. Do you think it's nice? I think it's nice. And we're done. This is it. And that is how it looks like from the outside. And that's all for today's video. This is the outcome. I hope you guys find this video useful and informative in any kind of ways. I'll be sharing with you guys the link of the Shopee seller from whom I purchased this clothes cover from. Okay? I got you. Don't you worry. That's all for me. This is Camelia Al Hadid, over and out. Assalamualaikum. Bye.